Okay.
Hello guys, it's Wakash from OK Gaming, and today we are doing a team review from Shadypenguinns channel, which I will link the review of the original video of this team. This is a team that he went to San Jose with, and it's pretty cool. I'm actually enjoying it online on championship battles. It's a pretty fun build. As you can tell, I'm positive right now for it. Huh. Sorry about that. I just read a thing that if you guys haven't watched it, it's called Death Battle. It's a screw attack thing, and they just had a video for Scrooge McDuck versus Shovel Knight. What? I've been keeping up with that stuff lately. Alright, well, getting rid of that nuisance. We're going to go continue on the business that's really important here, which will be the Sandstorm team, which is what I'm going to call it. Pretty much these four that I picked right here, I found out are a standard. Tapu Lele, I hardly ever use. Magnezone, if it's like a straight up full on water team and they're all special users, I'll be like, Magnezone, that's who's going in. I might have to do that. I might. Oh, it's a QR team. Alright, whatever. Let's do this. Don't dig QR teams all that much. We'll see what happens. Also, if you guys like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do not take this team as my own. It is a inspiration build or a proxy build. Kind of gives new people that are wanting to do championship mode an idea what to go with. And I'll link the video down below for you guys to go check out. I'll have to find it, but I'm fairly confident that I'll find it. Okay, Mr. Gigglesworth, let's do this. Cool thing about this team is Arcanine can get the Intimidates down. And then you normally want to swap out Arcanine with Tapu Bulu to take out the Earthquakes from them Garchomps. Vikavolt doesn't look like too much of a problem. I think we could take him out fairly quick. Which is what I'm going to do with Continental Crush. And then we're going to swap out Garchomp with Tapu Bulu. And then how this is going to go is we're going to swap out Gigalith with Arcanine next round. So if that Garchomp is still out there, he's going to be 2 Intimidates and a Grassy Terrain down. And he is far from anybody's threat right now. That's pretty much the basic strategy I've been doing with this. And last night I went undefeated on Championship Battle, which is kind of nice. Not going to lie. Alright, so watch it. Tapu, or Gigalith is like super effective to that. That Grassy Terrain plus, let's see, Energy Ball. Oh wow, you guys are double teaming my boy here. Not gonna work. But as you can see, that Grassy Terrain plus that Intimidate, it's next to nothing for damage for this guy right here. And then we're gonna swap out Gigalith with Arcanine. Tapu Bulu is gonna do a Wood Hammer, which should kill Garchomp. I'm really betting on it. It should. Now that Vikavolt's out of the way, I really got nothing to worry about. Really, he wasn't really much of a threat on my team anyways. Alright. Gigalith is fine. Everybody's fine. Got their Grassy Terrain out that'll heal us. Normally Tapu Bulus can kill a Garchomp in one Wood Hammer if they're not Assault Vested. Ah, oh, Pelipper. My nightmare. Alright, he's got the Hurricane out. That's what I can tell. The Hurricane is going to hurt. So, how I'm going to do this is we're going to go back out to Arcanine. And then I'm going to go and use Protect. And then next turn I'm going to swap back into Gigalith, set up the Sandstorm, and then get that Pelipper out of there. Okay, cool. You withdraw your Garchomp. I'm fine with that. I'm just going to have to play it careful. Gotta protect from them hurricanes, boys. That Pelipper Hurricane is a massively destructive strategy, and I love it. That's why I have a Pelipper on my water team. I think he is a great staple. Okay, so we're going to protect. And then we're going to swap out to Gigalith. And I'm going to have Gigalith protect next turn. I don't know. I might have him protect next turn. I'm not for sure. I could see him retreating Pelipper, though, and sending out Garchomp. Which, if he does that, boo-hoo, I'm going to go and try burning Garchomp. So if anything happens to my Arcanine, I at least have some investment into that Garchomp. Alright, taking away that Hurricane priority. I'm assuming Golduck would use Hydro Pump. Yep. Not going to fall for that. Good thing he didn't burn my boy here. That would have sucked. He's obviously going to retreat that Pelipper. So, Gigalith, you're going to be using Protect this turn. My Canine of Arcness is going to go in Will-O-Wisp Pelipper. Gigalith, you're obviously going to use Protect. Called that. Oh yeah. I don't care what you do now, boy. Your attack is worthless on me. You're not going to do crap to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Snarl. And then I'm going to go and swap out to Tapu Bulu. I kind of want to do Garchomp, but I don't want that Garchomp to die to Ice Beam Golduck yet. I haven't seen too many Golducks online, so it's kind of cool to see a variety of those. Makes me happy. Alright, so I don't care if you get your Drizzle out, that's cool and all. Arcanine, use your Snarl. Let's see if my boy can live through a Hydro Pump. Oh, wrong boy. Sweet. We're going to protect. And then we are going to swap out. So I'm not taking Hurricane. No siree. Wait. We're doing this wrong. I want to bait him. So we are actually going to take you out. We're going to put Garchomp right here. And I'm going to have you switch. No, wait. Why do I want to go Garchomp so bad? No, that wouldn't make any sense at all. None of that makes sense. My goal is I gotta take out... Uh-oh, did I just run out of time? I just ran out of time. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Well, I mean, double protect, it could have been worse. Well, at least I got him to waste his Z move, so that's good. Suck it. So, you know, safe switch for the win. That's cool, that's cool. Alright, this time I'm not going to dilly-dally around for 40 seconds. I'm going to go Gigalith. And then I'm going to go straight for Garchomp. Hopefully, Sandstream causes Hurricane to miss. I doubt it, but, you know, whatever. I don't think it's going to cause my Garchomp to lose too much from this. Sorry, Gigglesworth. That's how showbiz works. Okay, so I'm going to have to deal with that Pelipper. I'm going to have to take out Golduck. Which I can see happening this turn now that we lost Gigalith. Seriously though, I love this team. It's a great team build. It takes a while to set things up. You're going to need a couple mind games and whatnot. I'm going to Dragon Claw right in the Pelipper. I don't care. Pelipper's obviously going to have to switch out. Yep. I'm going to get a free attack in on Garchomp. Ooh, nice. I'm aware I'm going to be taking some of that rough skin. Ooh, I am going to like how this is going to end. Gonna go for that Wood Hammer on him, and then I'm gonna get Arcanine out. What Arcanine's gonna do is, I know that Garchomp's gonna go Poison Jab on my Tapu Bulu. I'm gonna go and confirm that Intimidate on him. So that poison slap to my face won't do as much as I'm hoping it does. Ooh, this is new. It's gonna kill off Pelipper. So, you know, he lost his Pelipper. He's gonna lose his Garchomp. Surprised Garchomp's not dead yet. I'll have to give this Rain team some persistence. I'm going to go straight for Snarl, which will hopefully take out Garchomp. It should. Good call on my part. Good, Garchomp's out of the way. Golduck is now down 1. I'm just going to keep on snarling him. Don't care what he's going to do to me. I gotta keep these snarls alive. Oh, match was forfeited. I don't know why he did that. He still had a chance to win it. Alright, well, that's our first win. We got one more match. We can do one more match on this. This is just a team review for Shadypenguinn. Liking it. I can see why he keeps it all shady. It's cool. It's a cool saying. I like it. So we already got our first win today. That's cool. We're gonna do 2. Completely stuttered there. My bad. My bad. Nah. It's a shame that he got the forfeit out. I can understand why he did it, because he'd either take out Arcanine if he could, and then get killed off by Bulu, or take out Bulu if he could take out Bulu, and then, you know, just keep on getting snarled down, and then eventually Garchomp would have killed him. We're going to continue battling, obviously. It's a good team. I like it. It's legit. Hopefully this will get me up to 1600. And then I'm going to look for another team to review. We'll go with that. Hoping we find somebody cool. Road to 1600 in doubles. This is going to be good. Not just any kind of doubles, though. Ooh, 1858. This will really test our steel. Essentially, they got 3 people from a team that we use. I'll go Gigalith and Arcanine because it's safe. I don't give a crap who you are. It's safe. I'll go Tapu Bulu. You know what? He's more than likely going to have Tapu Bulu, so I don't need my Tapu Bulu out there. Or do I? No, I don't, because I got Garchomp. So honestly, I don't even think I need my Gigalith out there yet. I'm saying, is this the team I want to be confident with? My only problem is taking out that Porygon, but I think Arcanine's got that covered. Tapu Lele would be solely for taking out that. Screw it, we're going with it. I might lose this one, guys. So it might be another one of them streams where it was 1-1. Trainer Squiggly line. Let's do this. So how I can actually see this going is pressure towards Entei. Or not Entei, wow, Arcanine. So we're going to protect this turn. And I really want to get Earthquake out there. I want to get that Nilogo out of there. Get out of there. Too fast for my own good. Cool, get Celesteela out of here. Yes! I'm gonna love this. Called that. Alright. Getting some free hits on these guys. That's nice. Alright, we're going to see how this person's going to react. I'm going to switch out to Gigalith. Just because he's going to be able to take any and all of them hits. I'm going to do Rock Slide now. It's probably... He or she is probably reevaluating their life choices right now. I got a very good first turn move right off the bat. We're now going to be getting Sandstream up in there. We're going to see if that's also a safety goggles, Arcanine. That is a double kill. You're not living through that one. Right? Oh my gosh, Arcanine is a monster. Of course your defense fell. What do you think was going to happen? Okay, so he's not safety goggles. He ended up fading anyways. So that is awesome on my part. We took out two Pokemon that were high threats. Now, if he's going to go straight into Tapu Bulu, I want to get Tapu Bulu out of there as fast as possible. But I know a heavy slam is coming my way. I want to do Psychic. I want to take out Tapu Bulu. And I'm going to do that. He might be, or he or she might be using Protect. Nope, not. Okay, cool. Faster than my Garchomp? What? What are you, scarfed? That's crazy. Okay, Flash Cannon's obviously going to take out my Lele. I'm okay with that. Because next turn it's going to be Arcanine taking out Celesteela. I can more than likely counteract that special attack Rising. So I'm debating on either... I'm probably going to use Snarl because I'm not going to lose Garchomp to stupid shenanigan crap. No sirree. So what we're going to do is we're going to go Snarl. And then I'm going to have Rock Slide come down. We're going to try doing some flinch hacks. Flinches win games. Said by a great trainer named Nips. And then we're going to hit you with Snarl. Ooh, trying to take out my Arcanine. That's cool. Alright. Screw it, I'm going to hit you with Flamethrower, and then I'm going to hit you with Rock Slide. Hoping to get that flinch, that's what I want. Yes! Okay, that's game. There's no way they're going to come back from that. It's the slowest thing on the field. It's going to have to go through a flamethrower. It's going to have to go through rock slide. It's done. It's done, bro. That steak is done. Match was forfeited. Wow, okay, guys. See, there is the proof in the pudding right there. Shady Penguin knows what he is talking about with this team. This team is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I normally like to keep my vids under 30, but we're going to end it with these two. If you guys want to see this team again out there in the wild, just let me know down in the comments, guys. This is Optimal Conch from OK Gaming signing off. Thank you for watching my vid. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.